I used to think Valentines had to look a certain type of way: flowers, romance, expectations. But being in my 30s, it feels different now. This year I didn't chase anything. I chose joy. My friends flew in. We got an Airbnb. We were outside. We laughed. We healed. We celebrated us. Soft life doesn't mean boring. It means intentional. And honestly, Valentine's in your 30s hits different. The older I get, the more I celebrate peace over pressure. I don't wait to be chosen. I choose myself.